Today we will be installing a segmented stop on a Coverstar auto cover system. Step 1. Open the cover to the desired stopping point on the pool. Ensure the leading edge is aligned evenly on both sides. Step 2. Remove the lid to access the track ends inside the auto cover housing. Next, detach the guide feed from the track and set it aside. Step 3. Insert the segmented stop into the slider channel of the track. Push it forward until it touches the slider. Grab the segmented stop at the track. Notice the indents on each side. These mark where you'll break off the correct length. The break point should be one segment above the fingers. Step 4. Using pliers, snap the segmented stop at the marked point and reinsert it into the track's slider channel. Repeat this on the other side. Step 5. Reinstall the guide feed, close the cover, and reopen it to the newly set stop location. Let's examine how this works from inside the channel. You'll see that the segmented stops interacting with the slider and guide feed to prevent the leading edge bar from opening past the desired location.